Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle, a four stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 23rd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Three of them, one of them I've already solved. The 3-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left: the 4 stars and the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And let me continue with the regular puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. News of today, well, there's a lot of war news, yeah. I've heard that there's an airplane down by Ukraine. They have it's a Russian airplane, and they informed that there are in the airplane 65 prisoners, Ukraine prisoners, but the Ukraine army think there are no prisoners. There are rockets or missiles in the airplane. So they took down this airplane. And the other war, today 200 Palestinian civilians died, and 21 Israeli soldiers killed. So 21, 200. Yeah, that's the war. Let's stop with the news of the war. Let me continue with this one. 4 star Sudoku number 7854. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 4 stars Sudoku, has really 24 printed digits. Yeah, 24 printed digits. This one has 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. All right, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 1 7, 4 8s. All right. And 1 2 3 3 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? Well, will be difficult. No, I cannot start with the 8. I need to wait. How about the number? Yeah, 1 3. Well. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers of 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5 5 5 5. Well. And now, how about 3 missing numbers now in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 4 7, 2 4 7, 2 4 7, 2 4 7. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this column, the 4 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in the first box, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. And now, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and look, we have 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, and the 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 5 here. Then let me see. 9, 3, 2. Well, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. 4 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6. 4, 4. Okay. 2, 2. 4. Let me think. 9, 9. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me see. I need a 5, and I need a 7. We have a 7, 9, and the 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 6 here. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Yeah, 6, 6. Come on. I need a 5 here, need a 7 here, and I need an 8. No, we have an 8 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 5, 5. 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this row, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Alright, so we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, need 8 here. And we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. No, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Not the 4, but the 7. Alright, 7, 7, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about? Yeah, we have a pair, The 4 and the 7 in the last row. The 4 and the 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in the first column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Alright. And now, 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about? Need a 2, need a 3 here. 2, 3, and I need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay. So 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, and 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. No. We have a 5 and 8 here, 2 or 3. So 1 number left here. I believe the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, need a 4 here. And here, 2, 3, need a 9 here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left here. We have a pair here. Also with this one, okay. Need a 7 there. Here I need a number 5, 8, and need a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Here, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4. It should be there. 2 missing numbers now, the 5 and 8 in this row, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 5 and 8. We have a 5 now, so this box should be an 8. Then 8 in this column, third column. 8 in the first column, so the column between the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Here 1, 5, and 2. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 2. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Then 7 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 7. We have a 7 now in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. This 6 is missing. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 2. And find, no, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there, finishes 60 minutes. Well, we solve it again, Is this really a 4 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.